How to conditionally drop rows in pandas. I have the following data frame. How can I drop the row second value after false all of the true values till the second true value till the second false? Such as for example, Edit 1. I would like to add one more condition on the new df. As you have mentioned in the comment, true, 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 false, true. In this case it would still start the drop at the second true value but would stop the drop right after the first false even though the second value has toggled to true. If the next value is still true, drop it till the value after false.
Let's try using where with fill and parameter limit equals 2 then Boolean filtering. Output. Details. First let's convert the false to np.nan using where. Next, fill first to np.nan after the last true using fill limit equals 2. Now, let's use cumsum so we can add consecutive true and select those greater than 2, and negate, to keep false records above the first true record and third false record and on.
You could use series.shift and series.fill.
Here's what I tried. The data I created is output.
You can do. Outputs.
What?